बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी वीडियोज़ का सिलसिला जारी है और आज हम इंशाल्लाह एक्सरसाइज 1.5 के बारे में बहस करेंगे। इस एक्सरसाइज में हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स और टू फाइंड द मॉड ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स। Here question number 1 of exercise 1.5 is find the determinants of the following matrix. Here we have four matrices A, B, C and D, and we have to find the determinants of these matrices. First of all, we find determinant of A. It is denoted by DET, det of A, equal to -1, 1, 2, 0. To find the determinant of a matrix, we multiply cross elements of each matrix in -1 into 0 and 1 into 2. Here we place minus negative sign and 1 into 2 is equal to 0 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0, -2 1 are 2, answer is -2. And also determinant of B is denoted by det of B equal to determinant of 1, 3, 2, -2 equal to find the determinant we multiply cross element of each matrix. 1 into -2 minus 3 into 2. Cross elements are multiplied. Since -2 minus 3 2s are 6 equal to -8, which is the answer of determinant of B. And also we find determinant of C is here C matrix equal to determinant of 3 2 3 2 determinant. So cross multiply of these two elements and negative sign is 2 into 3 equal to 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are also 6 equal to 0. 0 is the determinant of matrix C. And D matrix is determinant of D equal to determinant 3 2 1 and 4. We find determinant 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 2 1s are 2 equal to 10, which is the answer of question number first. Question number 2. Which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular? First of all, we check how to find the singular of a matrix. That is a singular if we take a determinant of a given matrix and we find 0 result, then we say that given matrix is singular. And non-singular if we find the determinant of a matrix and we find not equal to 0 result, then we say that matrix is non-singular. So solution of first question. First of all, we find the determinant of these matrix. Determinant of A 3 6 2 4 determinant. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ द डायगोनल मैन of these matrix 3 multiplied by 4 minus 6 multiplied by 2 equal to 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Here result is 0, so this A matrix is singular. This matrix is singular cause determinant of A equal to 0, and also we find the determinant of B equal to 4 1 3 2 determinant. Multiply the diagonals, 4 into 2 minus 1 into 3 equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 equal to 5. So result is not 0. So B matrix is non-singular. Also here matrix C, we find the determinant of C 7 minus 9 3 5, and determinant of this is 7 into 5 minus 9 into 3 equal to 35, minus plus 9 3s are 27. Adding these two elements, 2 62 answer, and so this matrix is also non-singular. We have last part of this question is D. We find determinant of D, 5 minus 10 minus 2 4, 5 into 4 minus 10 into minus 2 equal to 5 4s are 20 minus plus 20 equal to 0. So D matrix is also singular, which is the result of the question number 2. Question number 3 of exercise 1.5 is find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following matrix. Here first we find how to find the negative of a matrix multiplicative inverse of a, it is denoted by A inverse. If we have a matrix A, the inverse of this matrix is denoted by A inverse, and its formula is adjoint of A over A mod, और determinant of A भी इसको कह सकते हैं det A. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने सीखा था कि डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए कैसे फाइंड किया जाता है, तो अब हमें एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए की यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है कि कैसे ये लेट वी हैव अ मैट्रिक्स, एनी मैट्रिक्स 1 2 -3 5, we have to find adjoint of this matrix A, adjoint of A equal to, we interchange the diagonal elements, डायगोनल के एलिमेंट्स को आपस में चेंज कर देते हैं, 5 चेंज हो जाएगा और 1 उसकी जगह पे रिप्लेस कर देंगे, एंड वी इंटरचेंज द नोटेशन ऑफ द सेकंड डायगोनल, -2 यहाँ +2 था, ये -3 है तो ये +3 हो जाएगा। ये तरीका है एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए फाइंड। किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट फाइंड करना हो तो क्या किया जाता है कि मेन डायगोनल के हम एलिमेंट्स को इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं और हमारे पास जो मिनी डायगोनल है उसके हम नोटेशन चेंज कर देते हैं, अलामात बदल देते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम एडजॉइंट किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का मालूम कर लेते हैं और डिटर्मिनेंट मालूम करना हम सीख चुके हैं कि हमारे पास यही मैट्रिक्स है A 1 2 -3 5। तो इसका अगर डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करना चाहें तो क्या करते हैं कि हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं एवरी डायगोनल्स को और इनको फिर माइनस कर देते हैं। 5 इंटू 1 माइनस 2 इंटू -3 इक्वल टू 5 माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 to the 6 equal to 11. This is the method to find the determinant, and here we find the adjoint of the matrix. So these two values are put in the formula of inverse method. We find the multiplicative inverse of each matrix. Question number 3. Find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following matrices. Here we note two matrices A and B. First of all, we find the multiplicative inverse of A. Formula हम पहले लिखेंगे इसका। A inverse equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. First of all, we find the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of A equal to -1 3 2 0 determinant equal to -1 into 0 minus 3 into 2 equal to 1 0 को मल्टीप्लाई करें 0 minus 2 3 the 6 equal to -6, and also we find the adjoint of matrix A. पहले बता चुका हूं कि इस डायगोनल को मेन डायगोनल की हम जगह रिप्लेस कर देंगे। 0 को 1 की जगह पे और -1 को 0 की जगह पे डिनोट कर देंगे इस तरह से। और जो दूसरे एलिमेंट हैं इनकी हम अलामात बदल देंगे, नोटेशन चेंज कर देंगे -3 and -2, which is the adjoint of the given matrix A. Putting all these two values in this formula, that is 0 -3 -2 and -1 over -6, which is the multiplicative inverse of the matrix A. So we put -6 over all these elements. A inverse equal to 0 over -6, -3 over -6, -2 over -6 and -1 over -6. 0 over something equal to 0. यहाँ पे माइनस एंड माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा। 3 2 6 1/2। यहाँ पे माइनस और माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा। 2 3 6 1/3 एंड आल्सो माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल 1/6, which is the result of the inverse of the matrix A. Find the multiplicative inverse of matrix B, and B inverse is denoted by adjoint of B over B mod or determinant of B. First of all, we find B mod equal to 1 2 -3 -5 equal to 1 into -5 -2 into -3, which is equal to -5 minus minus plus 3 to the 6 equal to 1. And also we find adjoint of B. Adjoint of B equal to, replace the elements of the main diagonal, -5, 1, and interchange the notations, -2 and +3, which is the result of adjoint of B. So putting this value in this formula, we get a result, and B result, B inverse equal to adjoint of B over B mod, and B mod is 1 and adjoint of B is this. Putting these value, -5, -2, 3, 1 over. Magnitude of B is also 1 over 1. Something over 1 is equal to something -2, 3 over 1, which is the result of the multiplicative inverse of matrix B. Question number 3 have also 2 more parts. If you have any problems, then comments in comments box. I will solve inshallah.